in this question we need to find value of h, right? Now very carefully look here. You can see here square root 34, here also square root 34, right? That means they not tell, but we know if length are same, it will be isosceles triangle, right? This is isosceles triangle, right? Square root 34, square root 34. So that's why you can think this as a isosceles triangle. And you need to know this theorem, but in an isosceles triangle, that means you have two sides equal. From that two side vertex, that means this vertex, if you draw a perpendicular line, now they show no here 90 degree, that means this is perpendicular, right? This from equal two side vertex, that means this vertex, if you draw a perpendicular line to the third side, it will bisect. That's the thing you need to know, right? That means this side will be bisect. That means this line exactly here will be the middle point, midpoint on this line, on this third line. This line midpoint is this. That's the thing you need to understand here. In an isosceles triangle, like this way, if you draw a perpendicular to the third side, this side, it will bisect. That's the thing. It will equally, it will be equal from here to here length. That's the thing, right? Here 10, no, that means definitely from here to here it will be 5, right? Same way here also 5, right? Here to here 5. Try to understand that thing. It's a kind of thing you need to remember. You need to get that idea, that rule. In isosceles triangle, if you draw like this way to the third side perpendicular line, this will bisect. Here 5, here 5, like this. Okay, now how to get h? Here this is a right angle triangle, no, so you can use Pythagoras theorem here, right? Here we have square root 34. It doesn't matter, we can use, right? Now how we write the Pythagoras theorem? Yeah, here hypotenuse, it's best way to write Pythagoras theorem. Always start with the hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is square, that means here 34 square root, now we have anyway, that is square, right? Whatever thing you have here, maybe x plus 2, like that, algebraic thing, but doesn't matter what you have here, how they give the length, that one is square, is equal to other two sides of this triangle. What are the other two sides? This is the hypotenuse, this h and 5. So I can write h square plus 5 square. This is the best way to write Pythagoras theorem. But the hypotenuse square is equal to other two side square addition, right? Like this way. Okay, now this square root sign to square cut, here will be just 34, and here h square, here will be 25. 5 square mean, then 25 I will bring to here, so 34 minus 25. Here h square, 34 minus 25 mean 9, right? H square equal 9, but we need h, so get to h here. We don't need h square, no, they asked to find the h, no, so to remove this square, I will put here square root, right? Square root sign, right? And here also square root, so here square to square cut again, here will be h, and here plus or minus 3, but here this is 3% length, no, so can't be negative, so that's why definitely we can write just 3 here, right? Positive plus 3, so h equal 3. That's the answer for h.